to the sky, so open, so wide. The clouds in their dance, they had nothing to hide. The sun whispered softly, it's time to begin. Let the light pour out, let it seep within. Morning glow, morning glow. The night is gone, let the colors show. Morning glow, a brand new start where the rivers flow. I walk through the meadow with dew on my feet. Each blade of grass sang a melody sweet. The past, it is fading like mist in the air. I breathe in the moment, there's nothing to spare. Every step feels lighter now. Every breath a quiet vow. Morning glow, the shadows fade where the flowers grow. Morning glow, a softer world than I used to know. Let the silence thoughts I kept away. They sound different in the day. First light truths coming clear, things I couldn't face last year. No more shadows, no disguise. Morning doesn't let me lie. I was holding what I knew, just afraid to see it through. Now the sky is honest blue, and I'm standing in the truth. Every promise I outgrew, every door I pushed into, all the ways I tried to stay. When the feeling slipped away, I can see it without blame. Some things end and that's not shame. What I lost is what I learned. Some bridges fade instead of burn. First light truths coming clear, things I couldn't face last year. No more shadows, no disguise. Morning doesn't let me lie. I was holding what I knew, just afraid